All right, in this video, we're going to go through the link layer discovery protocol configuration commands. First, we'll go through some of the Lldp basics, and then we're going to do a lab demonstration. So Lldp is open standard, whereas Cisco's proprietary version is called CDP that I go through in another video. The purpose of Lldp is going to be to discover directly connected devices. Lldp uses UDP rather than TCP, which means there's no handshake. Llp does have a number of configurable timers. The default timer is 30 seconds, which means every 30 seconds it's sending out the UDP packets. And the hold down timer is 120 seconds, which means that if it hasn't heard from one of its neighbors after 120 seconds, it's dropped from the Llp table. All right, so now we're on GNS3. I have two of the layer 2 switches. They're connected and powered on, and I have the consoles open. And because these are Cisco devices, they do not have Lldp on by default. So if we put in a show Llp neighbor, you can see that it's not enabled. So let's change that. We'll go conf t. We'll do Lldp run, so that's the global command to enable the process globally, which means it's going to be on all the interfaces. So you can hear that's global. So if you wanted to have Lldp on some interfaces and not on others, you would use Lldp enable on the individual interfaces and not use the Lldp run globally. All right, and then in terms of verification commands, the one that you're going to use most often is just going to be show Lldp neighbors. It works just like Cisco's show CDP neighbors. It's going to give you the name of the remote device, which just happens to be switch since it wasn't changed. The local interface, the interface that's on this device that we're looking at here. And then over here, this is going to be the interface of the device that we're attached to. So if you're using Lldp, this is going to be your primary verification command. It helps you see what the directly connected devices are that are also running Lldp and what ports they're connected on. All right, if you found this video helpful, consider liking and subscribing. Check out the links in the description, and I'll see you in the next video.